The cycle history is a powerful feature of SmartHQ Service that offers a comprehensive view of the historical behavior of GE appliances. It is a data logger that captures 70 critical parameters, over 140 compressor cycles in the case of a refrigerator. This amounts to 6 days of historical data. The cycle history data displays critical parameters and how they have changed over time. The parameters that can be graphed are identified by the blue lines on the left of each row of the table. Select the parameters from the table to view the data graphically. Analyzing the historical customer usage data helps to identify the root cause of an issue. This helps to quickly resolve issues in the appliance and facilitates communication between the technician and the appliance owner.